Hello students. So this video lecture I am going to explain that is apportionment of the service department cost, that is including the secondary distribution method. Here there is a two methods, apportion to the production department only, another one is apportion to the production as well as the other service department. So apportion to the production department only, it means that total amount of each service department is distributed to only production department. But in this problem, so apportion to the production and the service department only. So here it means that service department render the services not only production department but also to other service department. For example, maintenance department looks after not only the plant and machinery of production department but also the equipment of other service departments like powerhouse, material handling. Similarly, powerhouse supplies the electricity not only to the production departments but also to other service departments like canteen, maintenance department. So here this type of inter-service department apportionment may be either on reciprocal basis or non-reciprocal basis. Today I am going to solve the non-reciprocal basis method. So what it means here, various service department are not inter-department. This means a service department provides services to the other service department but does not receive any service from that service department. For example, there are two service departments, X and Y. X department provides services to Y and other production departments. But on the other hand, Y does not provide its services to the X department but only to the production department. So this method is called as non-reciprocal distribution method or the step ladder method. So go through first one problem, then you can be easily to understand based on the non-reciprocal basis method. Calculate overhead applicable to production department A and B. There are also two service department X and Y. X render the services worth rupees 12,000 to Y and the balance to A and B as 3:2 ratio. Y render the services A and B as 9:1 ratio. So here is say that it means that X render the services in X department ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 rupees Y ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Y ರೆಂಡರ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಟು A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B. Y ರೆಂಡರ್ ದ Y ಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಸೊ A ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ 9:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ related information, that is the production department A and B and service department X and Y. It is given floor space, assets, HP machine, number of workers and the light points. So this is for the expenses, overhead expenses, depreciation, rent and rates, insurance, power, canteen expenses and electricity. So go through the first problem, then you can be easily to understand this method. Overhead distribution summary. So expenses, basis and apportionment, total column, production department A and B, service department X and Y. First we have to write for the expenses. Depreciation. How much is the depreciation? 1,90,000. So depreciation is 1,90,000. Here total of depreciation we can't be distributed only to the one department. We should distribute it to the all four production as well as the service department. So depreciation, it is not relating to the only production department, only service department. Is it like? So it can be distributed to the all four production as well as the service department. So which basis we have to do? So here assets value. So depreciation is on the basis of assets value. So how much is the assets value? 10, 5, 3, 1. So then the ratio is 10:5:3:1. So here 10 is to 5 is to 3 is to 1, total is 19. 1,90,000 we can be distributed 10 is to 5 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. So then it comes 1,90,000 divided into 10 divided by 19, 1 lakh. 1,90,000 into 5 divided by 19, 50,000. 1,90,000 3 divided by 19, 30,000. 1,90,000 1 divided by 19, 10,000. So goes on. So same ಇದೇ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So rent and rates. Rent and rates is, you know that floor area, space. Rent is always be floor area occupied ಮೇಲೆ basis ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So how much is the total amount is 36,000. We can be distributed is the 5 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 ratio. See that floor area 5,000, 4,000, 1,000, 2,000. We will remove all the zeros, then it comes 5 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2. Total of 12. So 36,000 we can be distributed 4 is to 5 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2. 15,000, 12,000, 3,000, 6,000. Is it clear? Next, insurance. So insurance is again assets value 10 is to 5 is to 3 is to 1. Total is 19. So 15,200. So insurance amount 15,200. Is it clear? 15,200. We can be distributed on the basis of assets value. So then it comes 8,000, 4,000, 2,400 and 800. Next, power. Power is on the basis of HP machine. So what is the amount of HP machine? HP machine is 1,000, 500, 400, 100. So then it comes, the ratio is 10 is to 5 is to 4 is to 1 divided by 20. So 20,000 into 10 divided by 20, 10,000. 20,000 into 5 divided by 20, 5,000. 20,000 into 4 divided by 20, 4,000. 20,000 into 1 divided by 20, 1,000. Is it clear? Next, canteen expenses. So canteen expenses on the basis of number of workers. How much is the number of workers distribution? So 100, 50, 50, 25. 25 ones are 2s are 2s are 4s are. That's 4 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1. So here is 4 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1. Total is 9. 10,800 we can be distributed 4 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. Then it comes 4,800, 2,400, 2,400 and 1,200. Next, electricity. So electricity is on the basis of light point. So light point is 50, 30, 20, 20. 5 is to 3 is to 2 is to 2. So total is 12. 4,800 we can be distributed 2,000, 1,200, 800, 800. Is it clear? So ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ overhead ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then we can be do the total. Total column is 2,76,800. Production A 1,39,800. Production B 34,600 and X 42,600 and Y 19,800. So then that is the very important. Next one is, that is non-reciprocal method. That is the very important. X render the services worth rupees 12,000 to Y and the balance of A and B as 3:2. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? ಈಗ 42,600 ಇದೆ. ಈ 42,600ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 ರುಪೀಸನ್ನು ವೈ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ adjustment. So 42,600 minus 12,000. So how much is the balance amount is 30,600 in the ratio of 3:2 ratio to the production department. Allocation ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 42,600 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ವೈ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 30,600 ಅನ್ನು 3:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ 42,000, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 30,600. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 3 divided by 5, 18,360. Second, 30,600 into 2 divided by 5, 12,240. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 42,600 ನಾವು ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಿಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಯರ್ ವೈ ರೆಂಡರ್ ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 9:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋ. So Y department, how much is the Y department? First actual amount of the total is 19,800 plus X department in the ಬಂದಂಥ amount 12,000. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 31,800 we have to allocation to the production department A and B in the ratio of 9:1. So 19,800 plus 12,000, total 31,800 in the ratio of 9:1. Then it comes 31,800 into 9 divided by 10, 28,620. 31,800 into 1 divided by 10, that is 3,180. So minus 31,800. So last column is nil and X column is nil and total column is illidella 2,76,800. As it is, we have to write in the total column. And production department X column is 1,39,800 plus 18,360 plus 28,620. That is, it comes 1,86,780. Then production B 74,600, then it comes 12,240, then it comes 3,180. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ 90,020. Is it clear? This is for the grand total. Thank you students.